What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Land It's a Lifestyle. Um, we're doing a trapping video today, a short toss. See what kind of birds we can catch. They hungry. I took their food from them yesterday. They haven't been trapping. Now it's a white one with a green band right there on the left. He's like one of my best flyers right now. One of my top flyers that come home first. We got two other white ones that's paired up. That look like, the one with the eyeball problem. Look like it's swelling up a little bit. We got attacked by the hawk. We're gonna have a good number of birds today if they hungry. Yeah, his head looks like it's swollen up a little bit. The one that's trying to get in at the trap door, that's the one that got attacked by the hawk. Alright. Okay, this is the second cage. That one looks like a young bird. That's the mom and the baby. I can't take him out yet. No, that's not the baby. That's the mom and the dad right there. Two white ones. They've been paired up for about 2 years. Yeah, so they hungry. It's the only way I can get them trapping good. I've been feeding them too much. So I slowed down on their food yesterday so I can trap them. Houdini and Fancy haven't been flying lately. That looked like Houdini just jumped in the trap. So that looked like a good number of birds right there. I'm gonna close it down. All right, gang, I got 14 birds gathered up. I'm not sure about this one. Look at his tail feather. Can he fly? He feel a little light. He feel a little. I think I'm gonna leave him at home. I gotta check on him a little bit. I think I'm gonna put him in a different cage. I'm not sure if he's a flyer. I'm not sure about him. So I gotta test him out locally. Do I got something? Okay. I can put him in this little cage right here. I gotta test him out a short flight to see if he good. He feel a little light in his tail feather is not full. So can he fly like that with a little tail feather? So that's 13 I have so far. Let me grab. This look like the white to my hen Oreo. This the white to Oreo. Come here. So that's 13. I want to get a good. See, can we get about 20 of them? Let's try this again. All right, gang, I got 3 more birds. That's gonna be a total of 16. I got Eyeball with me. Rename him Eyeball. Oh, it's getting worse. That's the one that got caught by the hawk. It's swelling up. He got a bunch of swelling going on right there. His left eye. Last week it was looking a lot better, but this week it's not looking so good. This eyeball.
Hey.
You got two blacks. They look like twins. We might call them freaking frack.
Already. All good?
All right.
All good.
This eyeball. You see his eye got some swelling going on. It was, I don't know, it's not looking too good this week. Eyeball paired up with
Hey.
the silver baby mama. He feeling kind of light. He's feeling kind of light. Sakat bird got attacked by the hawk. He gonna fly today. He got one good eye, so he can see out that one good eye and fly today. Give me a freaking frack. Whoa, this freaking frack, they twins. My blacks. Frack right here. All black. Nice healthy birds. Some good flyers. It's freaking frack. Number 16. So we flying 16. Nope. Let's catch a couple more. Alright gang, I got a couple more birds. Number 20 and 21 was Houdini and Fancy. So I got a nice little flock right now. But the trap door is stuck open so they can get back in. So I need to try to close that trap door before they start going back in. But I got a nice little flock right now. I'm gonna try to go close that door. Let's see who got stuck. Fancy got away. Fancy got away. But I got Houdini. And that little one right there. I might not take her. She'll never come out. Yeah, I ain't taking her. That white one. I was calling this one Ugly, but I'm changing her name to Miracle. That's Miracle. Miracle is paired up with a white one, I think. No, Miracle is paired up with the Silver Sun. Yeah, I ain't taking her. I think that's 2 Dot. Let me check. Yeah, that's 2 Dot. That's the silver baby mama. She don't never come out the loft. Loft is pretty empty. Fancy. Where Fancy at? Right there. I don't know what's up with Houdini and Fancy not want to fly lately. So These the scary cats that don't want to fly. We gonna probably leave them. So we got 22. Gonna change it to 21. We're gonna fly 21 birds today. Alright gang, we got a couple more birds. We got Houdini. Houdini was my top fly. I've been having Houdini about 2+ years. He was like one of the first birds that I got. Now this bird came off my whites, my all whites. I banded this bird. Come here, slow down. But she don't get out the loft a lot, and so I'm not gonna fly her.
Is she stream?
Yeah, she paired up with I just call her 2 Dot. She got them 2 dots on her on the side. This was the silver baby mama. So now she paired up with Eyeball. She paired up with Eyeball, but she don't never get off the loft. So I'm gonna put her and drop her off in the front of the house with this other bird. She only gave me 1 pair. Some ate one of their babies, and I got a black with a white spot. Came off of 2 Dot and the silver. Come here. Come here. This Houdini, this was my top flyer. He ain't been getting out much lately, so he gave me a lot of clutches. I got about, I don't know, a couple pair off of him, 5 or 6 pair. A lot of my birds came off of this bird. This Houdini, y'all get a close-up of Houdini. Houdini, one of my best flyers, was one of my best flyers. Get back in there. What's wrong with you? All right. This Miracle, I changed her name from Ugly to Miracle because she was so ugly as a baby. This was Big Head. Big Head and the white came off of her, but she came out to be a pretty bird, almost like a grizzle. White tail feather. It's a good smart bird, pretty fast. Paired up with the silver baby mama, the silver offspring. So we got a full, I think we got about 21 birds right now. See, can I catch a couple more? I really want to catch Fancy. So Fancy and Houdini can be together. They've been paired up for about 1.5 years. It's really, Fancy is really Houdini. Houdini's daughter, and they got together and paired up. They made some good babies, so we only got a couple more. It's Fancy right there, so it's a pretty black. I'm gonna try to catch about 2 more, then we're gonna ride out. All right, gang, we got 21 birds in this cage that's flying. We got 2 in there. We dropping off at the house. It's my first big flight in a while. So yeah, that's what we got. 21. Going out for a short toss. Going over here to the football field. Got 2 right there. White one and the young bird. high school game. Well, Pop Warner High School school. Gonna let them go from right here. We got 20 birds, 21 birds on the flight. We're gonna be the first one home. Got eyeball right there. Will he make it home? Can we see out the good eye? We got a full crew today. Cage stuff. All right, here we go. They all flocking together.
We gonna let these ones out right here? Then why we took them over here? Where they at? Oh.
How you doing, son? You haven't said something?
Where's Trey? You saw that pond? You got some turtles in that pond. We're sure you got some turtles in that pond, yeah.
I seen them. All right, gang. I'm right down the street from the house. These two don't want to come out, but I gotta make them fly.
There's a poop in there. You got to blow your whistle. Oh, I can see his feathers. Let's go. See his feathers. What? Yes, they don't want to come out. How we going? Should have never take them out. That one looks like he want to come out. Let's do this. He might come out. Then make it fly. They're not coming out. No, we got the brown one now, but the white one not coming out.
This white one, she don't never come out the log.
We got the white one out, Mark.
Go. Get. I don't even know if this little birdie can fly or what. You gonna fly today? They're gonna run up in here. Boy, get up out of there.
You want to make it fly? Make it fly.
Get all the way up there. All right, gang. Most of the birds came back. Good 90% of them is back. They did good. They really impressed me today by flying around. They flew for about a good 30 minutes. They doing pretty good. They know that spot now. They flew around. They routing. They doing pretty good. They all back. Eyeball came back, so Eyeball can see good. They all came back. Put some food down. So now they all gonna go down there and get some food and water. He acting slow like he don't know what door to go in. Just the baby that was on the back of the truck didn't make it home yet. He on the rooftop. He'll probably come home soon. Yeah, Lynn Lance, it's a lifestyle. Top flight, fancy. When you want to race your birds, let me know. I'm the guy. Train your birds, I'm the guy. What it do? Yeah. Lynn Lance Law. They all going in and get something to eat and something to drink now. They go eyeball. Eyeball going on in. All right, gang. Thanks for watching. It's a lifestyle. Peace.